Hello YouTube, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for two coins that I got off of eBay. These are both going to be 1861, a New Brunswick and a Nova Scotia penny. And the total purchase price was $8.40. So let's open this up, see what we got. Oh, not even in a plastic, just loose. Okay. Okay, we have New Brunswick on the left and Nova Scotia on the right, both 1861. Very nice examples. Okay, these are both very nice examples. And in the quality they're in, the New Brunswick is worth about $9. Nova Scotia is worth about $19. So we're looking at about $28 to $30 for that entire lot. And I paid $8.30, so definitely well worth the price. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.